Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Rhonda. Thank you all so much for coming and watching the videos. It really means so much to me. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. It helps YouTube know that you like my videos, and somehow the algorithm it's supposed to help my channel get moved up so that they know people like my videos. And today I'm going to show you all the two. I know I showed the unboxings, but I want to show you all my first impression. Well, it's not actually my first impression because I did try and make a video and I was not happy with the video last week, so I'm making a new one. And I'm going to, it is, my first impression was it's going to be probably the same thing it is now. I was very happy with it, but I want to show you all. I got the shortbread color and Swan. I wish I had thought about it and got a darker shade to use as a contour instead of two lighter shades, but I didn't think about it, and I wanted to try one of the really light, and then this one here is probably my color, but I wanted to try one of the really light ones for when I want to do like really highlight things. But I'm going to show you all. You know, I showed last week they come in these really cool jars that glass, really nice, the really big doe foot. Let me put it up here. I'm gonna leave my arm for. So there is the, let's see, the shortbread, and this is the Swan. So you'll see the difference in the colors. I'm actually going to use the Swan this time because that would be my first impression. I used this one the other day when I was making a video to give my first impression, so I'm going to use the Swan because that will be my first impression. And I apologize about the fan if that noise bothers you. I'm trying to speak up so you can hear me good. It is really hot, and with Levi I have to start his school. You all know he's doing the virtual learning, so I have to start his school first thing in the morning, so I don't have a choice to do my videos earlier in the day. I have to wait until I get him through with all of his learning, and then I'm giving him a break right now while I do some videos, and then I've got to do some more studying with him and get him to do a couple more assignments. But I'm going to do these videos while he's taking his break. And I apologize if I seem a little out of it. I am pretty tired, but by the time you see this video, it'll probably be at least the weekend because I've got to get my boxes done. And I know y'all want to see the boxes. Most of you want to see the boxes more than you want to see this, but I'm doing this too just to share it with you as I go, because I need to do this anyway. I need to put makeup on anyway, so I want to share what I'm doing and my experiences with things. And I was really happy with this last week. I think it is one of my favorite. That doesn't look too light. I think the Too Faced is probably my favorite concealer, and I've tried the Shape Tape, I've tried the I've tried so many of the higher end. I've got the Hey Honey and Ipsy. I've tried many of them. Let's try this one with just my finger. I've tried so many, and I think this is my favorite one. it really seems to put too much on this side, because the other side I use the blender and it absorbs some of it. This side I put about the same amount, but I didn't use the blender. But look, that just, I mean, I really like that. It really seems to take the dark circles pretty much away. If you notice, this side I have more of a dark circle, and I do wonder if it's because I'm a side sleeper, and I usually sleep on my right side. I do put on like a satin mask, and I do use a satin pillowcase, but I still wonder if there's some truth to it, because this side is definitely got even with this, you can see the dark circle right in here. This side pretty much hides it, but I did use my finger, but this side really isn't as bad as this side. So I wonder if there really is some truth to, even if even if you use the mask and stuff, I wonder if that might be why that side has a darker circle and looks a little slightly more aged than that side. But see, even when I put on concealer on that side, it doesn't completely cover it up. I really want to go get fillers done. I think they said they do it like in the top of the cheek, just enough to puff that out so you can't see the dark circles. And I read it's fairly reasonable. Somebody said they got it done for like $350 or something, and then it supposedly lasts for like a year. And I mean, that's a good deal to me, because I really hate the dark circles. I think that is the one thing about my face that makes my face look aged, is the dark circles, because I don't really have deep wrinkles anywhere. So the dark circles, I think, are the one thing. And I would like to get Botox in my forehead, because they say it's supposed to help with the migraines, and it would help my eyebrows relax to where I do them like that a lot because of my migraines. And I think when I do like that, yeah, that makes me look really aged. But I'm all for natural beauty and doing things as natural as possible. Oops. And if something doesn't bother you, then I wouldn't worry about it. But if I can come up with the money to do it when, maybe for my birthday or something, I would really like to get this done. And it would be really nice to feel like I don't really need concealer for a while. So there is that. What do you think? I think it doesn't feel as drying as the what's it called? I can't think of the name of it now. The Tarte Shape Tape, or I don't see it here. I think it's called Shape Tape or whatever it is. It makes my eyes feel really, really dry. And I hate that. When I put on anything, it just leaves my eyes feeling really dry and cakey. And this one doesn't do that so far. I used it the other day, and the shortbread one, I put it on early in the morning, and I wore it for 14 or 15 hours, and it still did not feel cakey. I mean, the rest of my makeup was kind of messed up, but it still did not have a cakey feeling. So there is that. What do y'all think? That is the color Swan. You see that one here? Even when I put it on, it does not cover that, really cover that dark circle, because it is, this side just, it covers this side pretty good, but this side still has that dark circle that really bugs me. I try to sleep on my back, but I'm gonna try harder. And I also got some of the collagen that I'm gonna start making myself drink and see if it really does make a difference in skin. I hear it does, but I don't. I'm gonna start trying to drink it every day for about a month, and then do a review on that and let y'all know how I feel, if it made any difference in my skin. So I know, I apologize, my hair, I have to keep it behind my ear to keep it somewhat out of my face, because that fan keeps blowing it in my face and tickling me. My hair has gotten so long, I can't even, when I stretch it out as far as I can't reach the end of it this way. So I think I'm gonna have to cut it, the back of it, because I mean, it doesn't look as long here. It's about to the, it is right past my lower back. And I was serious, I was brushing it earlier, and I was trying to raise it way up to brush it out, and my arms could not reach the very end of it. So I really need to cut some of it. It's just starting to really annoy me. And I think I want to make just a few wispy bangs, and just some face flattering wispy things around my face, just some you know what I'm talking about, just a little bit down my face, just to, I think when it gets too long, it kind of drags your face down. What do y'all think? Does it look like it drags my face down? Sometimes I feel like it's so long it really drags my face down, and it would, if I had like just a few pieces just to frame, like I did cut a few pieces. This was all longer, but I cut a few just to go around. But I think I'm gonna cut a few more to have in my bangs, and a few more just around my face, so I could pull my hair back and it look, you know, the rest of it, because I can't stand the heat, and my hair is so hot. So thank you all. If you got this far, I really appreciate you guys so much, and I love you. I'm fixing to do some more videos, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.